What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today I have a little bit of information for you regarding this Zhiyun Molus X100 light. Now if anybody has purchased one of these recently in the combo or the pro kit, you will get a battery with it to attach to it so you can use it outside. Now the issue is, this is a great little light by the way, but the issue is the supplied power brick that comes with it. I mean, it's huge, but it plugs into the bottom of the light. Now when you plug it into that and you plug it into a power point, it will supply power to the light. But if you have the battery attached to it and you plug that power brick into it, it will not supply power to the battery. It will not charge it. How do I know this? Because the lights on the back do not come on when you plug that in. The only way you can charge this supplied battery with it is by a USB-C PD charger, a PD rated charger. Now, plug that in. You can use, this is a, like I say, this is a PD rated charger. Plug that into there, and there's a USB-C port in here. Plug that in, and the lights start flashing. The lights come on, and the lights will start flashing. The last, yep, you can see that last light is flashing, so that means it's charging. But you can also plug in a PD charger, a PD rated power bank to this battery, and you'll see that the lights come on as well, and they will start flashing, indicating that it's charging. But when you plug in, because there's no other way to charge this battery other than USB-C. Now plug that into there. Now what I read in the manual, and the manual is only available online, you do not get information in here stating that. You've got a quick start guide, and in there it shows you about plugging the cable into the bottom of the light. So I shall show you what I mean. I'll plug this together. Plug that into the mains and plug that into the bottom of that. There's no lights come up on the battery, but if I press and hold that, as you see, it can power the light. And if I take the battery out, that can power the light. Geez, that's bright. That's 1%. Wow. That is super bright. But that is the only way you can charge these batteries up, with a PD rated charger or PD rated power bank. And the power banks themselves, they need to be, if you want to charge it up at full speed, you'll need a power bank that is rated up to 100 watts. I don't know where I'm going to get one of those, but this is going to supply power at, I think, 18 watts. So whatever the power bank is rated at to power a device, it'll charge it up, and you can see the charge level on on, I'll plug this one in and plug it into the USB-C port at the bottom. If I power the light on, you might be able to see that it says PD 18 watt. I'll zoom into that so you can have a look. But that power bank, 18 watts. If you want to charge it up at a faster rate, you'll need a larger power bank. So yeah, I'm a bit disappointed in Zhiyun, I think it's how you pronounce it, that they don't put any information on the outside of the box. It shows you all the information on the end of the box as to what is in there, but there is no USB-C cable and there is no PD charger or power bank included in there. So when you buy this, that's the only way you can charge it up, and you're going to have to buy that separately. It does not include, it's not included in the package. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Other than that, the light is great. I've got the Pro kit with the soft box, the little mini soft box, and I plan to use that more so outside and like for macro subjects and just a little bit of additional lighting for portraits or whatever else I need to use that for. But yeah, other than that, yeah, great light, and I look forward to using it a lot more in the future. So yeah, with that, I'll say goodbye, and hopefully it helps you, and we'll see you in the next one.